Guys, welcome to 5 Minutes Yoga. I'm Bella. As a start, gently and slowly move around your neck, side to side, and back and forth. Today, I would like to show you how I stretch my hips. A lot of us create tension around the hip joint because most of us work on computer for a long time, including myself. Let's start with spine, side to side, and start lubricating your joints between vertebra. I tend to start with slightly active stretch. Some experts call dynamic stretch because it helps increase blood flow and temperature in our body. So it actually helps us to get either ready for strengthening or flexibility. It might feel slightly weird if you're used to normal, static, slow yoga class. Dynamic stretch is used often in athlete training and rehabs or any kind of fitness training. Start lengthening your up and tilt your body to the side to stretch the side trunk. Oh, that feels so good. Inhale to the center, exhale to the side. We will repeat 3 times on each side. And straight one leg forward and tilt yourself forward 3 times. We don't have to stay for extended period of time, but if you like to, feel free to do so. And switch to the other side and 3 times forward. Bring your feet together and also start tilting yourself 3 times. If you think you're not flexible, you can repeat as many as you want, maybe 5 times or 10 times. Or just pause the video and you can stay a little bit longer in one pose. And then we're gonna move to the pigeon pose, our ultimate hip stretch. This pose is actually intense, so don't get it discouraged if you didn't get it. Face your body to the side and make sure the bent knee is placed slightly to the side of your body so it doesn't block you when you're tilting forward. Stay here for 5 breaths. Make sure to have long and deep breathing in and out. And let your hips stretch and muscle relax. Walk your hands back towards your center and we will go for king pigeon this time. Grab your ankle from inside. You might already feel a big stretch on your quads and hip flexor. It's very, very painful, I know. Gently bend your knee a few times. And if you feel like, only if you feel like challenging yourself, bring your ankle close to your elbow and bring your hands together behind your head. And stay here for another 5 breaths. Keep engaging your core by pulling your belly. And release your arms and knees, and we're gonna go for the other side. Make sure you're pressing both hip bones down so you can stretch your hip flexor. Feels good, isn't it? And if you don't get this pose at first attempt, remember I have taught yoga over 10 years. Of course, you might not look the same as me, but hopefully you'll be able to get this pose one day. Maybe it can be your New Year resolution. our last stretch of the day. I always try to incorporate strengthening and rehab, flexibility, and all the other good stuff. So please stay tuned, and I hope to see you guys in the next class. Have a good day. Bye.